am Brooke, and you are watching Sweet 21 Designs, where I take you along with me as I chase my passion for interior design. The day is finally here. I get to reveal to you part 2 of my 2-part home office makeover. In part 1, my husband and I tackled this wall that you see behind me, the modern board and batten design. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it right up above here. Go check that video out. This was our first time trying anything like this, and it came out really good. So watch the video. It's a great tutorial that will show you how to complete the look. While you're here, make sure you subscribe to Sweet 21, turn your post notifications on, give this video a big thumbs up, and drop a comment down in the comment box below. I want to see what you guys think of the room and if you could envision yourself working in a space like this every day. For my home office, I wanted a space that was really relaxing and light and airy. I used a desert sunset as my inspiration for my color palette. I wanted to pull those sandy, natural tones, the burnt oranges and dusty blush colors. You're gonna see that I did use a lot of that natural color. That, for me, made it feel light and airy and gave it that relaxing feeling. But I wanted to break it up by using a variety of different textures in the room. I will say that this room is a mix between mid-century modern and boho. Let's go heavy on the boho, but you're gonna see some of the lines in the room kind of pull from mid-century inspiration. So I'm gonna make that up. You heard it here, mid-century boho. Go ahead and jump into my comments down below. Let me know what your design style is. Are you on the mid-century side? Are you on a boho side? I wanna know what design style really appeals to you. I need this office to also function as a place where I can work my 9 to 5, I can prepare my home projects and also maybe take care of some DIYs, as well as study for interior design school. Your girl is on her way to becoming an official interior designer. This is the desk that I bought at Ikea. I'm gonna clean up those wires as soon as I am done with the desk, but this is the desk. You can choose the top that you want. They have a variety of different tops. This actually came in 2 sizes. I'll link it below for you on Ikea's website. It was about $40 for the top, and then you could choose different legs. So I went with the black legs because I thought, okay, there's black floors. Maybe it will just kind of draw the eye up. But I really don't like it at all. The legs were only $4 each. So I threw away the packaging and everything. I don't know if I can even return them. But I went back and I got these legs instead. These are hairpin legs and they have the wheel at the bottom. So that was kind of cool. Add a little interest to this side of the room. I definitely like the lighter color because I'm going for somewhat of a monochromatic look. A lot of the same off-white color repeated throughout the room, but with different texture. So that doesn't do it for me. These legs do not do it. Look at how much better this is. Oh, I just absolutely love it. Like when you come in now, at first glance, it's just really neutral and soft. So the desk is all set up, but now I need to focus on this white space above the desk. I need to fill this area in. So in the corner, I have my plant, which definitely adds height to the room. So what I really want to do, you can see I already played around with putting like 2 thumbtacks up just to kind of play with size and scale. So really large, simple posters are gonna go right here on this wall, and I'm actually going to paint myself. Having a light and airy space meant getting rid of those blinds that we had in the room. They were horrible, and you're gonna see in just a minute what I mean about them being horrible. But the icing on the cake is that they are in every single room in our house. So that's gonna be a journey getting rid of them, but my plan is to just room by room, each room that we go through, removing them and replacing them one by one. I Lighting is also another really important part of this room. The lighting that was in here before was just horrible. Not only did it look bad, but it did not function properly either. It produced this really dingy orange light that just did not make the room look attractive. So I wanted to change out the ceiling lights, but also add a little mood lighting into the room, something that would create a nice vibe at night, something that would be easy to dim, as well as reflect onto the walls and ceiling. So here is the moment of truth. I have been so curious to see if underneath the lighting is knockdown or if we'd have to put something there. And good news, the knockdown ceiling is up there too, so we don't have to do anything to replace it. The lighting will just go right up there and look beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. You have no idea. I even went and bought like a piece of wood, like a round piece of wood that could go there in case the ceiling was not where it needed to be. So good news, big win for us. This is actually a futon that I bought at Ikea probably over 4 years ago, and I actually don't think that they make it any longer. So what it looked like before was not going to work in the space for me, but instead of going out and buying like a new futon or a sleeper sofa, I decided to go the cost-effective route and look for a high-quality futon cover that would create a brand new look without spending as much money. So of course, where did I go but Amazon? Who doesn't go on Amazon? Who doesn't have Prime? So I went on Amazon and read a lot of reviews, and I found a seller that has the best futon covers. Guys, I cannot say enough great things about them. They email you after you place your order. They then call you, ask for your dimensions, and they custom make your futon cover. I believe I paid under $100 for this futon cover. One of my favorite decor items in this room is actually sitting on my futon with me, and it is this baby right here. Don't buy me Louis, don't buy me Gucci, buy me Keiko pillows, because this is just a beauty. The quality is so amazing. I love the brand. I love what the owner of Keiko Shop stands for. So I'm always happy to support these local small businesses. She really has such beautiful pieces there. And when we talk about customer service, phenomenal. When I originally placed the order and I got my pillow, there was just something that was slightly off about it. So I DM'd her. It was like 10:30 at night and I sent her a DM and I was like, hey, you know, this and this happened. I was just wondering, you know, how we can fix this, or like what can you do? And she responded within 5 minutes, and within 2 days I had another pillow. And it was just, I was blown away. Not only did she do this, but can I tell you, her packaging is beautiful. It's just, it got me so excited, and it was inspiration for the artwork that you see on the wall. I really just love the pillow and the details, so this is definitely one of my favorite pieces in the room. The other two pillows that I have here, this is from West Elm. It's this circular velvet pillow in this rust. I think that this is super mid-century. It just added this pop and this contrast that the room really needed. So I love this, and I love the vibe that it creates. I also kind of use this as inspiration in my artwork too. You'll see where I put that asymmetrical little circle in the middle. So I kind of use this in combination with these two pillows. I really like them and the look that they create. And then this over here, this is from HomeGoods, so I won't be able to link this one, but it was really inexpensive. I think it was like 20 bucks, just a knotted lumbar pillow. It creates that boho look and feel that I really wanted. Thanks for hanging out with me in Suite 21. I hope you enjoyed my home office makeover. This is the first room that we have completed in our home, and we have many more to go. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn your post notifications on so you can follow me along my journey of renovating our first home. Thanks, guys.